In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload custom/free fonts to Canva. By the end, you'll have your own font added to Canva and applied to text in a design, so you can keep your branding consistent and ready to use in any project. First, open Canva. If you're on the web, go to canva.com and sign in. If you're using the app, open it from your device. Next, go to Brand in the left menu. On the Canva home screen, look to the left sidebar and click Brand to open your brand settings. Now, click Brand Kit. This takes you to the area where your brand colors, logos, and fonts are managed. Scroll to Fonts. Move down the page until you see the Fonts section, where your current brand fonts are listed. Click Upload a Font. You'll see a button labeled Upload a Font in the Fonts area. Click it to open your file browser. Select your .otf, .ttf, or .woff font file. In the file picker, locate the font you want to add. Canva supports OpenType, .otf, TrueType, .ttf, and WebOpen font format, .woff. Select the font file and click Open. If your font came in a zip, make sure you've extracted it first so you can choose the actual .otf, .ttf, or .woff file. Confirm you have the right to use the font. Canva will show a prompt asking you to confirm font usage rights. Read it, then click the Confirm button to proceed. This step simply acknowledges that you're allowed to use the font in your designs. Wait for the font to upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Keep the page open while it finishes. When it's done, the font will appear in your Fonts section. If you see an error, double-check that you selected a valid .otf, .ttf, or .woff file. Open any design. From here, click into any existing design or create a new one to test your uploaded font. Your screen will switch to the Canva editor. Select a text box. In your design, click on an existing text box so it's highlighted. You'll see the text toolbar across the top of the editor. Choose your uploaded font from the font list. In the toolbar, click the font name to open the font menu. Scroll to find your uploaded font, or type its name into the search bar at the top of the list. Click the font to apply it. Your selected text will instantly switch to the new font. If the text changes as expected and looks correct, your custom or free font is fully installed and ready to use in any future design. At this point, the process is complete. You've successfully uploaded a custom or free font to Canva, and it's now working in your design. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.